Hi there, welcome back to Andrew Ask YouTube channel. Hey, I'm so glad you continue to find me and you continue to seek out my content, my videos. Hopefully they're helping you. Hopefully you had time to look at some of those. Um, hit that subscribe button down below, please. If you're on a mobile app, I know you can go back and hit subscribe. I really appreciate it. It helps me grow this channel. But one thing I wanted to talk about today, and we're going to get into it, is just a little quick lesson I had with my daughter today. My youngest daughter is 13 years old. She's almost 14. And don't tell anybody, but she's my favorite. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. Anyway, we were talking about, she had this candle, and I'm going to show you this here in a second. She had this candle, and she says, you know, I've seen people, take their fingers and put that out. And I said, yeah, you can do that. Can I do that? And I says, do you want to do that? And she said, yeah, I want to do that. I want to put that out with my fingers. I said, well, then do it. I'm like, just do it. Quit talking about it. Just do it. I wasn't trying to be mean to her, but that's the lesson a little bit, is that a lot of times just because what we want to have happen never seems to actually happen. We can sit there and want it all day long, and we can rub our fingers and we can, test the waters, but until we do it, that candle stays lit. That candle stays lit all the time. So today's lesson is about action. You got to take action, and when you want to do something, you got to take action to make it happen. So hold on here real quick. I'm going to show you this. So again, I'm going to show you. When you want something, you just have to go for it. And just like that, it's out. I got more wax on my fingers than I got anything else. So if you want it, let's go. So there you have it. If there's something you want, you need to take action and go for it. I implore you guys, if you've got something in your mind, some desire, you're in a position in your life that things need to change, please take action. If you want more information, subscribe, send me a comment. I'll be happy to answer any comments. And if there's ever anything I can do to help, let's go.